In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome lag and improve its speed with a full guide. Dealing with a slow browser can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're trying to get things done efficiently. Whether you're streaming videos, managing multiple tabs, or simply browsing the web, having a fast and responsive browser is essential. So let's dive into some effective techniques to optimize your Chrome browser for a smoother experience. First, let's start by clearing your browsing data. Begin by clicking on the three-dot menu located in the top right corner of your Chrome window. From there, navigate to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and find Clear Browsing Data. You'll want to ensure you're selecting data from all time to thoroughly clean up your browser's history. Check the boxes for cached images and files, as well as cookies and other site data. These are the common culprits that can slow down your browsing experience due to accumulated temporary files. Once you've selected these options, go ahead and click Clear Data. This should help in freeing up space and potentially speeding up your browser by reducing the load from stored past data. Next, let's tackle unused extensions, which can also contribute to a slower browsing experience. Type Chrome/extensions into the address bar, and you will be taken to the extensions page. Here, you will see all the extensions currently installed on your browser. Review them and identify any that you no longer use. You can either turn off or completely remove these unnecessary extensions. Be selective with the extensions you keep, as each one consumes a portion of your computer's resources. This process can save valuable bandwidth and processing energy, helping to speed up Chrome. If after trying these steps your browser is still sluggish, it might be time to reset Chrome settings to their original defaults. To do this, go back to Settings, scroll down to find Reset Settings, and choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. This is like giving your browser a fresh start without any customized settings potentially causing slowdowns. When prompted, click Reset Settings. Now, this step will remove any customizations, and you'll need to reconfigure your preferences once again, but it will help resolve lingering issues that could be contributing to lag. These methods should get your browser back on track. By maintaining a leaner and cleaner browser environment, you'll often see a notable improvement in speed and responsiveness. Remember to periodically repeat these steps to ensure your browsing experience remains optimal. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found these tips helpful. Be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions or if there are other topics you'd like us to cover. Stay efficient and happy browsing.